I've been quiet, watching your moves, counting the rhythm of your truth. You think it's safe, you think it's hidden, but I got eyes and I'm not kidding. A smile that's calm, but it cuts like glass. The moment's coming, it's almost past. Every breath you take, every step you made is about to meet the choices you betrayed. Buckle up, I'm about to show everything you try to hide, you know. No more games, the night will speak. I see the cracks that make you weak. Buckle up, it's about to unfold. The truth is fire, can't be controlled. Hold tight, the storm's in my hands. You're about to see where it lands. Every glance you threw, every lie you spun, I kept it close, I've let it run. But patience fades when the edge is near, and I'm the voice you'll soon hear. Come on the outside, fire inside. Every shadow you've chased, nowhere to hide. I'm ready now, no need to pretend. The ride begins where the lines bend. Buckle up, I'm about to show everything you try to hide, you know. No more games, the night will speak. I see the cracks that make you weak. Buckle up, it's about to unfold. The truth is fire, can't be controlled. Hold tight, the storm's in my hands. You're about to see where it lands. No turning back, no escape tonight. Every secret caught in the light. I've got the will, the pace is mine. Watch it unravel every line. Buckle up, I'm about to show everything you try to hide.